Marvellous 103 FM with Kru Fon at Time. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
ทำบ้าน Some people some like you did for a while ago, right? That you do your home or your house, like to do some renovation or even
building work
yeah.
and renovation.
Yeah.
Decorating or something like
Yeah.
that. You just say tamban.
ใช่ค่ะ
Really?
Yeah, some people said สร้างบ้าน is like you build totally new.
Oh, totally new house.
But if you do some fixes or you do really like a house,
Right.
ทำบ้าน
Tamban.
ใช่ค่ะ
Doing jobs around the house.
Because บ้าน is a
House.
ใช่ทำบ้าน
Tamban.
ค่ะ
See you tomorrow.
ค่ะ
And don't forget that Time Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.